Today on AFOL TV, we're doing our first ever Micro City tour, and it starts right now. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to build awesome LEGO creations, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you never miss anything. So, as mentioned in the opening, today we're not doing a tutorial, we're doing something really exciting, and it's something that you guys have been asking for a long time. We're doing a city overview. Now, this is not the full city. Some of it is in storage due to quarantine. We actually had to move under one roof, so I wasn't able to keep the full thing up. But that being said, this is only part one of the series. We got a lot more coming, and hopefully the city will continue to grow with all of your support. So without further ado, let me give you a quick overview. So I'm going to try and give you guys a full tour of what I have here, and important to note, a lot of these have tutorials for them or instructions on our website, which we'll put in the link down below. But for example, here is the little garbage truck, which we have a video for, I'll link up above. Here is one of our Jeeps, which I'll also link above. And as I scroll and go around through the city, I'll be sure to link different components that we have for free for build tutorials on YouTube, as well as instructions such as the skyscrapers, which you can find on our website. I want to show you guys some of the details up close. So right here is the bus stop, which we have a tutorial for. And right here is a restaurant underneath a lofts building. It's a financial tower, additional street details. Another little cafe down below. That's going to be turned into a Starbucks in the future. Over here we have two cars from a recent tutorial we did, showing you guys two different techniques for making micro cars. And behind is a construction site, showing some of our construction vehicles, also on YouTube. Give you guys a view down the main boulevard here. The construction site was just something I threw together really quick as a placeholder. We're gonna put another skyscraper right there. But I needed something to fill the void, and so came up with that little construction site that you see in the back there. Down here you can see some of the storefronts, and again this leads over to what will soon be Starbucks. I'm really happy with how the micro roads turned out. We actually have instructions for all of these roads on our website. In the middle and the median we have greenery. You can finish it with some gray tiles if you'd like, but the coolest part is they split apart and they actually link in the middle with Technic bricks. So you can move your city, clean your city, rearrange your city, put it into storage during quarantine if you need to, and it just gives you a lot more flexibility. Here are the traffic lights. Went with just one traffic light because if we did two it would hang down too low. So you can swap the little tiles to change the colors. And again, a lot of these vehicles are available on YouTube, and if they aren't yet, they will be soon. In the future, I'm planning to build a beach and an ocean right here, which will house our yachts and a marina, and hopefully someday a cruise ship. But for now, it is just a blank space, blank canvas. I try and make the roofs detailed as well, or at least have some detail, just to make them more realistic. In the front here we have one of our first ever tutorials, which was a Micropolis chase. It's also our most popular video on our YouTube channel so far. Hoping to come out with some more Micropolis cars soon for you guys. Here you can see some of our micro figs and micro trees. I prefer the 3 plate high with a head, prefer to some of the other micro figure designs that I've seen out there. The reason why is it just allows you to customize the colors a little bit more, and I feel like it gives them a little bit more personality. But let me know in the comments what you guys think. Additionally, I plan to do some tree tutorials soon. Medical office building, which is a variation of one of the other buildings we have available on our website. Actually planning to make this a little bit taller, hopefully soon. One of the other things that I really like about Microscale is it doesn't take up a lot of space. I live in a condo, so this allows me to build a bigger city without compromising space. Another thing too is it tends to save you money. Sometimes they can be a little bit more detailed and require a bit more bricks than you otherwise need in a full-scale build, but for the most part, they do save you money and they save you time as far as building. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We're going to do a ton more of these coming up, and hopefully with a much bigger city to go over, but wanted to give you a quick snapshot of what we have so far. If you haven't already, check us out on Instagram. We have a ton more photos of our other builds and creations, and we have a lot more coming out soon. We'd appreciate it if you'd like, share, and consider subscribing if you don't already. And again, you can download instructions for our other builds and part files on our site, www.aflstore.com. Thanks again, and see you next week.